Hi.
But I don't know a name for you.
Hi, my
So
people.
today we are here with my best friends.
Hi, I'm Flamingo. Also, go get them. Woohoo! Yay!
Okay, you can say hi to your viewers.
Hi, people of YouTube. I do not. Where are you? Why this map?
I don't know. She's the first map that was here.
It is good for 1v1s.
It's small. You hear how much I stutter in my videos, bruh?
See, I'm trash. I'm gonna
Yeah,
put...
you are trash. That's why I'm 1v1ing you, so I can show my viewers how good I am.
No, I'm just trash. You're not that good.
I'm not that good. I'm level 83. And what level are you again?
Like, I don't know. Are you supposed to check? My viewers can check for me.
Bruh. So you're saying you want viewers to hack into your Roblox account?
No.
And how are they supposed to tell? No, I got flamethrower.
I killed you still. I still got you somehow.
Shallow breathing.
Okay, where are you? Where are you? Oh god, not my mom.
Time to shine, boys.
Let's...
Because I just saw you.
Where are you? You must be invisible.
I'm not even invisible, bruh.
Oh, I'm blind. I'm just blind.
Yeah, you are just blind, bruh. Play Arsenal. So sorry for anybody who was like super distracted by the quote unquote ASMR in this video.
Or like background noise from my mother.
Background noise from my house because my neighbors are lawn mowing right now while I'm trying to record.
Oh, I can't hear that.
Then good, it probably doesn't pick up on my video's audio.
Oh, I can now. When you shut up, I can.
I think we're loud and obnoxious, but we don't scream. Is that? You're so loud.
I'm not loud. I'm quiet.
No, the lawnmower is.
Oh, the stupid loud and obnoxious lawnmower, yes.
The lawnmower.
I hate lawnmowers so much.
They're so freaking loud. Just like, shut up.
I cannot tell you how much I hate lawnmowers.
5%. When that showed up, you instantly killed me. Like, bleh. I just saw your demon horns, I think.
Hey, shut it.
Your demon? I'm not even trying to be rude. I literally just saw the demon horns on your skin.
Yeah.
This is something that might be offensive, and I'm trying to think about like my viewers so I don't offend them. So we're not gonna include that in the audio. But anyways, back to the video.
I'm probably not gonna. Oh, I just fell. Great. Okay. Oh, where did you even... So bad at this.
I know, right? Just because you're trash doesn't mean you can be good, though. Oh, crap, I give you fuel to do good.
The literal gun.
Bruh, you fell off. You fell off the platform. And why are you beating me right now?
I'm not. You have 14 kills, I have 9.
You're definitely on a streak, you little turd. Turd nugget Kira.
No.
Yes. I want me some turd nuggets.
There's some whores in this house. No, we're not even gonna speak of that song.
I want me some turd nuggets. And now somebody's closing my garage door. Thank you. The house is rumbling. Lord. I got the TV shotgun. Let's go.
Why do you even... Oh, so you can do that?
Yeah, I can. Get him. Trying to kill me. Try and kill me. Just try. Just try. I don't even care if you fail. Just try. My mom just shut my door because I'm being loud. No, After, why I can't bounce? 1v1 knife fight or else.
No. This is cheating.
I don't care.
Okay, no more knife fights, because knife fights actually suck.
Okay, I pulled my knife fight, so how about you get one knife fight that you can pull at any random time?
Okay.
Bro. Like, how about this? We can have our knives out. Like, we can use our knives. But if we're in a knife fight, we have to use our knives.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay. Oh, dear. I just want to be an earthworm.
I want to be an earthworm today. It's Earthworm Sally.
Carrying diseases from Florida to Cali, Florida to Cali, from Florida to Cali. Earthworm Sally flying through the air.
That's your problem, not mine.
Hey, shut your mouth. I'm literally flabbergasted.
We're not even that good, though. This is just a stupid video.
This is like the dumbest video. Like whenever I do Roblox videos, they're stupid. I know all my viewers can say yes to that. There's no arguing with it. They're obnoxious and they're loud. If I ever do a Roblox video that isn't a collab, I'm gonna do Horse Valley 2. How about you?
I've done a lot that aren't collabs, so I can't really speak. I have the stupid Peacemaker gun. That should...
Hey, at least something. At least you're no knife fight. By the way, you can use your knife fight
I know,
anytime. How come you haven't used it yet then?
because I don't want to. I just shot myself.
You shot yourself? What the frick is
I had like the... I don't know what gun. It was like a cannon thing.
I'm not too
Okay, so if your thing... Let's not say... Actually, I don't care. If your thing dies, then...
Then, we just do part 2, baby.
Yeah, but we won't have the same stats.
Whatever. Frickin' God, rocket launcher takes... Ah, no! I was gonna say rocket launcher takes so long to shoot. But I just got killed by the rocket. What is wrong with you? Whatever, I know
Yeah, you are winning. You aren't gonna win.
Actually, I am. Try me, baby boy.
I don't care. You aren't gonna win. Whatever. I come in second either way. I come on the leaderboard either
Well,
way.
you do know that you're going to be lying, right?
Yeah, I know. But still, I come on the leaderboard every way, so joke's on you.
We need more friends that play Arsenal because imagine a 2v2. That would be so freaking fun. And you already know I would choose the most skilled player that we have.
No, I think you should get a handicap because you're so good compared to me.
Handicapped? What do you mean?
I don't know what that was.
My iPad just died, so video's done. Goodbye.
Video's done. Bye. I'm ending.